Good evening, noswaith dda. Braf iawn oedd gallu cynnal rhan fechan o'r ŵyl eleni, a hynny ar-lein. It has been great to be able to share a small part of the International Choral Festival of Wales online this year, with representation from across the globe. We as festival organisers are eagerly looking forward to welcoming choirs back in 2022. But for now, here's the adjudication for the online competition. I'm so grateful to William Silk, Naveen Arles, and also Honorary President Paul Miller for assisting me with the adjudication of this competition. We had 7 wonderful choirs, all presenting different styles, different genres, and offering so much diversity to the competition. It was difficult to choose. We had everything from If He Loved Me, Tallis, to Big Black Horse and the Cherry Tree. Each choir had recorded their pieces, keeping the integrity of the works. Also, it was great to see additional elements and creativity. We were also pleased to receive 2 videos from one of the choirs, the Cathedral Choir of St Gregory the Great, Singapore. Both pieces showed the beautiful tone of this choir. Anuze GA from the Ivory Coast delivered a strong and unified sound, but lacked dynamics and variation at times. Also, it was great to see additional elements and creativity brought into the performances due to the recording element. Fidelity Sings from Ireland and Surrey Hills videos were brilliant. Both showed energy and passion, and I would love to hear these performances live. 2 choirs stood out for us. Both choirs from the United States gave us a tough time. Some magical moments by both, beautiful tone and great musicality. Even though both choirs were wearing masks, you could feel the expression coming from them. The blend of both choirs were exceptional. Congratulations. Here's the scores. Anuze GA, 79.25, Bronze Award. The Cathedral Choir of St Gregory the Great, If Ye Loved Me, 85.5, Silver Award. Salve Mater Misericorde, 88.5, Silver Award. Fidelity Sings, 82.5, Silver Award. Surrey Hills Chamber Choir, 84.75, Silver Award. University of Louisiana at Lafayette, a 92.5 Gold Award. And Western Illinois University Singers, 92.5, also a Gold Award. As you see, there are 2 choirs, joint 92.5. We couldn't decide. We are so pleased to award the first prize to both choirs. We hope to see you in Cardiff next year. All the best, and thank you for supporting. Diolch yn fawr iawn.